covering a cupcake with sugar paste. Start with a cupcake that has some space between the top of the cake and the edge of the case. Use a palette knife to add a layer of buttercream. Add a raspberry-sized blob on the top. Dust a non-stick workboard and rolling pin with a little bit of corn flour. Knead your sugar paste and roll it out between two spacers to get an even thickness of about 5 to 6 millimeters. Move your icing around so that it doesn't stick to the surface. Cut out a circle the same size as your cupcake with a cookie cutter. Place over the top, tucking in the edges to the paper case. Use the palm of your hand to polish the top of the cake. And there you have it, the perfect topping.